Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to talk about two formats. The first one is format number 4 and the next one is format number 7. Ready?
Yes.
First question please.
Are you listening?
Yes, I am listening.
Ji.
Mr. Adil inquires Mr. Kamran whether he is listening and he replies that he is listening.
Very good.
What are you listening to?
I am listening to the lecture.
Very good.
Mr. Adil inquires Mr. Kamran what he is listening to and he replies that he is listening lecture.
He is listening?
To the
Listening
lecture.
to the lecture.
Whom are you listening to the lecture with?
Very good.
I am listening to the lecture with my colleagues.
Okay.
Mr. Adil inquires Mr. Kamran
Whom he is listening to the lecture with. And Mr. Kamran replies that he is listening to the lecture with his colleagues. Ji.
Next one.
Ji.
Where are you listening to the lecture?
I am listening to the lecture at Silla.
Very good.
Mr. Adil inquires Mr. Kamran where he is listening the lecture,
Listening?
listening to the lecture.
Okay.
And
Ji.
Mr. Kamran replies that he is listening lecture at Sila.
Listen to, look at, wait for, think about.
How are you listening?
How are you listening?
I am listening to the lecture attentively.
Attentively. Ji.
Mr. Adil inquires Mr. Kamran how he is listening to the lecture and he replies that he is listening to the lecture carefully.
Very good. Ji.
Whose lecture
Are you listening to?
are you
बात समझ आई
listening?
नहीं? Whose lecture? ये लेक्चर की बात कर रहे हैं ना? Whose lecture? किसका लेक्चर? Are you listening to? आप किसका लेक्चर सुन रहे हैं? Whose movies are you watching? क्या मतलब? आप किसकी फिल्में देख रहे हैं? Whose class are you attending? आप किसकी क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं? Whose turn now are you waiting for? आप किसकी बारी का इंतजार कर रहे हो? Whose call are you waiting for? किस दी कॉल का इंतजार कर रहे हो?
Whose lecture are you listening to?
Very good.
I am listening to the lecture of Mr. Rafi.
Very good. अब दो सूरतें हैं. I'm listening to the lecture of Mr. Rafi. I'm listening to Mr. Rafi's lecture. Yeah. I'm listening to the lecture of Mr. Rafi. अब ये आप नहीं कहना, it's आव.
Mr. Adil inquires Mr. Kamran whose lecture he is listening to.
Very good.
And he replies that he is listening to listening to the lecture Mr. Rafi.
Listening to the lecture of Mr. Rafi. Well done, sir. Well done. Thank you very much.
Are you developing?
Are you developing?
Yes, I am developing.
Mr. Kamran inquires Mr. Adil whether he is developing and he replies that he is developing.
What are you developing?
I am developing the concepts of language.
Very good. You are developing the concepts of the English language.
Mr. Kamran inquires Mr. Adil what he is developing and he replies that he is developing the concepts of the English language.
Very good.
Where are you developing the concepts?
The concepts. Ji.
I am developing the concepts at Sila.
Very good.
Mr. Kamran inquires Mr. Adil where he is developing the concept and he replies that he is developing the concept at Sila.
Very good. Ji.
How are you developing the concepts?
Very good. How are you developing the concepts?
I am developing the concepts keenly.
You are developing the concepts keenly. Ji.
Mr. Kamran inquires Mr. Adil how he is developing the concept and he replies that he is developing the concept keenly.
Keenly. Ji.
Why are you developing the concept?
I am developing the concepts to gain knowledge.
Very good. Ji.
Mr. Kamran inquires Mr. Adil why he is developing the concept and he replies that he is developing the concept
To gain knowledge. Make.
Whose concepts are you developing?
Ji. Whose concepts are you developing?
I am developing my concepts.
My concepts. Whose concepts are you enriching? Ji.
I am
Enriching the concepts of my classmates, my batchmates. Whose concepts are you getting benefit from?
Mr. Rafi's concepts.
I am getting
concepts.
the benefit from the concepts of Mr. Rafi. Thank you very much.
Are you listening?
Yes, I am listening.
Ji.
Mr. Abdul Rahman inquires Miss Fatima she is listening
Whether she
whether
is
she is listening
Okay.
and she replies that she is listening.
What are you listening to?
I am listening to the music.
Mr. Abdul Rahman inquires Miss Fatima what she is listening to
and she replies that she is listening to the music.
She is listening to the music.
When did you start listening the song? To the song.
When did you start listening to the song?
I started listening to the music last night.
First,
Mr. Abdurrahman inquires Miss Fatima
when she
started
listening to the music.
and she replies that she started at last night.
क्या होगा जी? The last night क्या होगा? The previous night.
Previous night.
Miss Fatima replies Mr. Abdurrahman that she started listening to the music the previous night.
Since when have you been listening
To the music. Since when have you been listening to the music?
I have been listening to the music since last night.
Very good. No.
Mr. Abdurrahman inquires Miss Fatima.
Since when she has been, and she replies that she has been listening to the music since
Last night.
very good. Thank you.
What are you buying?
What are you buying?
I am buying the books.
Ji.
Miss Fatima inquires Mr. Abdul Rahman
Huh.
what he is buying and he replies that he is buying the books.
Very good.
When did you?
When did you start? When did you start buying the books?
I started buying books in my childhood.
In your
In
childhood. Ji.
Miss Fatima inquires Mr. Abdul Rahman when he started buying the books and he replies that he started buying the books in his childhood.
Very good, bit.
Since when have you been buying the books?
Very good.
I have been buying the books since my childhood.
Very good. You have been buying the books since your childhood. Ji.
Miss Fatima inquires Mr. Abdul Rahman since when he has been buying the books and he replies that he has been buying the books since his childhood. Mr. Ibrahim inquires Mr. Naveed whether he is observing and he replies that he is observing.
Are you studying?
Are you studying?
Yes, I am studying.
Ji, beta.
Mr. Ibrahim inquires Mr. Saad whether he is studying and he replies that he is studying.
Very good, beta. Ji.
What are you studying?
I am studying the English language.
Very good. Ji.
Mr. Ibrahim inquires Mr. Saad what he is studying and he replies that he is studying the English language.
Very good, beta. Next, please.
When did you start studying the English language?
I started
Very good. You started studying English language.
at 6 p.m.
Very good. You started studying the English language at 6 p.m. Ji.
Mr. Ibrahim inquires Mr. Saad when he started studying the English language and he replies that he started studying the English language at 6 p.m.
Very good. Ji.
Since when have you been studying the English language?
I have been studying the
English language
since 6 p.m.
I have been studying the English language since
6
p.m. Ji.
Mr. Ibrahim inquires Mr. Saad since when he has been studying the English language and he replies that he has been studying the English language since 6 p.m.
Very good, beta.
Are you collecting?
Are you collecting?
Yes, I am collecting.
Ji.
Mr. Saad inquires Mr. Ibrahim whether he is collecting and he replies that he is collecting.
Ji.
What are you collecting?
Very good, beta.
I am collecting the new ideas.
Love you, my son. You are collecting the new ideas. Ji.
Mr. Saad inquires Mr. Ibrahim what he is collecting and he replies that he is collecting the new ideas.
When did you start collecting
The new
the
ideas.
new ideas?
I started collecting the new ideas in my childhood.
ये कोई बात है ना जी. Collecting नहीं. Collecting.
Collect.
जी बेटा.
Mr. Saad inquires Mr. Ibrahim when he started collecting the new ideas and he replies that he started collecting the new ideas in his childhood.
Very good, beta. जी.
Since when
Have you been collecting the new ideas?
I have been collecting the new ideas since my childhood.
इतनी सी बात.
Mr. Saad inquires Mr. Ibrahim since when he has been collecting the new ideas and he replies that he has been collecting the new ideas since his childhood.
Very good, beta. Thank you. इधर लगा. Thank you.
Are you seeing?
Yes, I am seeing.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Mushtaq whether he is seeing and he replies that he is seeing.
Very good. Ji.
What are you seeing?
I am seeing the whole class.
Very good. The question was, what are you seeing? Answer is, I am seeing the whole class. Ji.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Mushtaq what he is seeing and he replies that he is seeing the whole class.
When did you start seeing the whole class?
Very good.
I started seeing the whole class at 6 p.m.
Very good.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Mushtaq when he started seeing the whole class and he replies that he started seeing the whole class
At 6 p.m. Very good.
Since when have you been seeing the whole class?
Since when have you been seeing the whole class?
I have been seeing the whole class since 6 p.m.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Mushtaq since when
He has been seeing the whole class.
and he replies that he has been seeing the whole class since